What's up, everyone? For everybody that's patiently waiting for me to do that pool boiler, we're going to do the motor that was hooked up to that boiler first. Sorry guys, that sucker's still buried. Try and get this. I'm really hoping that this motor is not aluminum. I've ran into quite a few electric motors that the windings are aluminum, and I learned my lesson because the last one I did, I got it completely taken apart. I cut the end off of it and it was all aluminum, so I just wasted a ridiculous amount of time for no reason at all. So I can see the windings in here now. Try and get in here and see if they're copper or not. Oh, that's money. This one isn't aluminum. Alright. So I already got this unbolted. Oh, more wires, eh? We love wire around here. Absolutely love wire. What's up, little buddy?
That's a big fridge.
Yep, sure is.
Why is that spiky up there?
What is this? Cast aluminum. Okay? Cast aluminum. Alright. Alright. I was really hoping that this was copper. So that way I got a nice chunky motor. This is a pretty heavy one. Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Yeah, oh, this thing isn't as heavy as I thought it was going to be. So you know what we're doing with this? Up on the truck, junk steel. I used to take the armature out of them, and I'd take those to the scrapyard because technically that's the motor, and I used to do that all the time. You know, I probably took in a couple 1,000 pounds like that. And one day I go there and they're, nope, sorry, we're not buying those no more because they're, you know, you don't have the copper windings. Then I go, all right, fine, I'll just throw them off in the steel pile. Don't bother me none. So I actually thought this thing would be a little bit bigger. Look at all this hollow space in here. It's ridiculous. Could have made that a little bit bigger so I could have made some more money off the copper, them suckers. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. She is. Okay, too hot. Come on, you sucker. Yeah, alright. Nice heavy chunk of clean steel. Get that over there onto that pile. And then I got me a nice chunky motor. Look at that. I don't have time right now to cut that down. So I'll do that later. I'll get that thrown on my stand. I just want to show you guys. This is a nice chunk of motor right here. I probably get, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 pounds of number 2 copper out of this. That's pretty sweet. So we'll get that boiler done soon. Don't worry.